Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Megabonk low FPS, stuttering and lagging on PC. First, make sure you have a PC that meets or exceeds the minimum requirements for Megabonk. Also, ensure your graphics drivers, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel are updated. You should have the latest version of Windows and DirectX installed. Make sure your system has a stable power supply and proper cooling. Now lower in-game graphics settings such as shadows, resolution scale, and effects. Then switch the display mode to full screen for better stability. Next, in the NVDA or AMD control panel, set power management to maximum performance. After that, close unnecessary background apps like browsers or overlays before playing. Here, keep your GPU and CPU temperatures low to prevent throttling. Then, verify the integrity of game files through Steam if issues persist. Also, disable Windows game bar and background recording for smoother gameplay. Finally, if you are using mods, ensure they are optimized and not causing FPS drops. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.